Hello, second graders. We're doing our writing again today, and your sheets that are stapled together have a little bird on the front of it, and you see the bird, and it says our turn there. Okay. If we read the directions up at the top, it says expand a sentence. Read the sentence. That's our number one thing. Number two, together, use the answer to each question prompt to add a detail to the sentence. Number three says write the expanded sentence on the lines. And number four says complete editing checklist together. So that's what we're going to do. So you see the bird there, and the sentence says a bird splashed. That is a full sentence. There's a bird, that's the noun, and what is it doing? It's splashed. So that is a sentence, a bird splashed. But we want to add more interest. We want to add more to this sentence. The question is, where did it splash? Well, if we look at the picture, where is it splashing? In a bird bath. So we're going to write this sentence, only we're going to add to it and tell where it splashed. So our sentence is going to be a bird splashed in the bird bath. And that's what you need to write. I'll give you time, or you can pause me. A bird splashed in a bird bath. And bird bath is all one word. That is what it is. So you're going to have a bird splashed in a bird bath. Okay. Making sure you have your capital letter at the beginning, making sure you're putting spaces between your words. All of your letters are sitting on lines, and you put a period at the end because this is just a statement. It's not asking you, it's not excited, it's just telling a bird splashed in a bird bath. Now, we're on to the next one, and it says, why? Why did the bird splash in the bird bath? Well, there are a couple of ways to do this. You could say, it was hot outside and a bird splashed in a bird bath. Or you could say, a bird splashed in a bird bath because it was hot. So I'm going to do that one. I'm going to start out exactly like I did before. A bird splashed in a bird bath because, and you might have to look on your 100 word list to find out how to spell because, it was hot. Ooh, I barely had enough room to get it all on there, but I did get it all on there, and you can pause it right now so that you can look at it and get it written down. Now that you have it all written down, you have to go back and do your checklist. Does it make sense? A bird splashed in a bird bath. A bird splashed in a bird bath because it was hot. Those make sense. You can color it. The next one says your capital letters. Did you capitalize your first letter? Did you end it with a period? And did you have your spaces? So you're going to look back at all of those and color your stars. Your turn now is the next page, and it says you're going to expand the sentence here. It says read each sentence, or read the sentence, and then use an answer to each question prompt to add details to that sentence. Write the expanded sentence on the line, and then you're going to complete your checklist. So a boy plays, and you're seeing him playing with a boat, looks like by water, maybe on the beach. And it says, what did he play with? So you have to say what he played with. And then the last one says, where does he play? So you have to say where he's playing. When you get your sentences written, then you do your checklist. Make sure you do your checklist before you turn it in. Okay.